Hi there. Amazon Web Services has announced the preview release of the Amazon Q developer integration for GitHub. This new feature brings the power of Amazon Q developer agents directly into GitHub. Calm and GitHub Enterprise Cloud, enabling developers to accelerate feature development, perform automated code reviews, and modernize legacy Java applications without leaving their GitHub environment. With the integration, developers can install the Amazon Q Developer app from GitHub and assign issues to Q Developer agents using labels. These intelligent agents can automatically implement new features, fix bugs, review pull requests, and transform Java code, all within the context of GitHub projects. During code generation, Amazon Q Developer utilizes existing pull request workflows to ensure that the output is refined and all automated checks pass successfully. The integration also supports interactive collaboration. Developers can comment directly on pull requests to communicate with the Q developer agents, which respond with real-time suggestions and improvements, keeping the whole team aligned and informed. According to AWS, this integration empowers teams to deliver high-quality software faster while maintaining enterprise-grade security and compliance standards. The Amazon Q Developer GitHub integration is currently available in preview and is free to try. No Amazon Web Services account required. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. See you next time.